Hello YouTubers and welcome. I have this speaker from Poundland. It's one of their new sonos speakers and I'm going to be doing an unboxing, as you can see. God, okay, very basic. But it's not Sonos, the really expensive brand. It's Sonos, a what do you call it? A Poundland speaker. But anyway, without further ado, an unboxing it. God, it's actually a lot bigger than I thought. So in the box, you get, a very, very small thing. Cable looks okay, doesn't look amazing. USB-C, well, Type-C, which they all are these days. The most tiniest manual in the world. But let's look at the speaker. This is the first time I'm unboxing it too. Let's see. So, here's the speaker. I'm going to have to wipe the lens. There we go, that's better. So what have we got? We got a single. What looks to be... Okay, so a very simple single small speaker, which is about here. The box is massive. You got your modes up and down on the back. On the back you got this. I don't know why my camera is going all weird and cloudy for some weird reason. But yeah, anyway. This is actually a lot nicer than I thought. I just hope it sounds alright. By the way, this speaker was £5. Anyway, I'm going to connect it up and then we'll be right back. Okay, I've connected it. The startup sound is ridiculously loud. So is the volume, so is everything. I'm about to play it now, guys. This will be the first time actually hearing the true bass on this. The song I'm using is right here. I've got a low volume, I'm going to turn it up a bit. Just under halfway.
Yeah, I'm like an addict, ooh, I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get
Whoa.
up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the
That actually
ball,
has a
I'm a
right
really
bass.
big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder.
Just over halfway volume.
I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never
Immediately noticing it's distorted. It's got a lot of distortion. Just over halfway volume.
I take shots to the top, I'll get it. I got one life, I'ma do all to win it. I do what's right, pushing till I fall. I'm slipping to get back up, always stand tall, I'm grinning. I got cuts real deep, big bruises scarred. I had to learn how to think with my head not heart. I've been chewed up, spit out, torn apart. From picking up all the pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back, cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes.
Okay, guys, hope you enjoyed this video and goodbye.